Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the main event weigh-in for Mario versus Twisted Wolf. The interim heavyweight championship in this main event is on the line. First, coming up to the stage, please welcome the former cruiserweight champion of the world, the demon himself, Twisted Wolf. Let's go. I'm about to win. Official weight 210 for the demon himself, Twisted Wolf. Heavyweight champion of the world, Mario the Destroyer. Ready to put on a show tomorrow. Official weight 232 for Mario the Destroyer. I got this. Let's go. Now we're gonna square you guys off one more time for your fight tomorrow night. Don't hit each other. Let's go. Putting on a show for the fan and knocking your ass out. Yeah, we won't knock it on nobody. We're all here for doing the job. Thank you for you. You're boring. Yeah, I'm boring? Alright, don't say boring and not cool. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. We're going to explore. I can't wait to put me on the camera. I'm doing this for so long. I've been doing this for a year over a year. Okay, what's your chance? We're going to get this payday. And then knocked out. Let's go. Yeah, right. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. Hey, whoa. Come on, bro. Come on. Well, what's up? No. I'm not gonna do nothing. Exactly, you're scared. You're scared. Look. You're gonna get knocked out. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, we'll see about that. Good luck with knocking me out. Yeah, I don't need it. I'll be the interim champion. Bowser. After that, you're next. Sorry, thank you. Mario, Twisted Wolf. Tomorrow night, the heavyweight interim championship is on the line. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.